Hello, sorry, I'm gonna share and I got a report here. I told you. That was why I told you guys to share the program. Guys, share the program. I'm not here again. I'm not here again. Please share the program. I know that's what's gonna happen. Please share the program. Share the program as you're joining. Share the program because as you're joining, please distribute the video. Share the program as you're joining. Share the program as you are joining. Share the program as you are joining. Why they are reporting it? Oh, do you know why are they reporting this beautiful? You see why I told you guys to be sharing. Sharing subdue all these threats. When you they share, they subdue them. You they share, you they click love, you they click love, you they share. Share it everywhere. Now me get your medicine J-pipe. Apam secret 60% of your life, your dating lifestyle on Omnaka. Apam yanaka on Omnaka pam. Apam naka him doggy can mesh. In our water. In our water, why they dollar is make you make them and you really entered. That the before anytime mga bagi war maybe so land because ndere hama. I tell him knock at a goku. I know myself. I don't know you. Come and swear if Ogechi knew you. When you carry my papa, where died on COVID. I never replied you. Even when I was doing content on social media, I did not know you. I did not reply you. Gebudo. Na anye one day bo na aga olusuaga kwa lo sukeke. Ni ga shi nwoke puta mewa nka nwoke puta anona mo onwe mu. I did not know you from Adam. My daddy anwu during COVID at his vulnerable last day and time. No logo. You brought out my father's picture. War. People always say, Ogechi, na me they look for your. I did not. And don't hear me. Before me I go explain them. So people are now no. Now you look for my trouble peacefully. I was on my own. You carried my dead father. And when me here na bahara. Come to Baragi again. Akwa na loroko. Aku Biafra. Keza had the man. Akwa wi ihe ajula. Ebi ihe ajula turu nde Biafra shikwale kwe ebono. Kema na onye mere jibu a lot of Biafrans. Yes. O ihe ajula turu anya aka. Ndi Igbo shi. Nwo onye ahụ gbarala ga egbe gbagbuo gi because onye gbara ga egbe ama nge no. Now would the person say, look at where you are hiding. It's not these people that carried my father's picture. You are my main problem. Because you are the one that went and brought it out. Post it on social media. Start giving it to Ken. Munayana about war. Ken carried it. You brought it out on social media. Guys, because sharing this video, report, guys. If you guys keep sharing, you subdue the reply. Share it all WhatsApp group. Share it everywhere. Share it. What I go? Good. Get bidomegene. Bupute my dead father. Also an akwanyere ugwu na ala Igbo. Also eji mana ndi Igbo. That all uboshamu moge na uboshamu roke wudi. 2 days he went in a wa. You brought my father. You humiliated him. At his mpamu ngampamu kuroku no wege kuloku na ya. My father lead the Elo Sumenyi. What their president, what their secretary. Go and ask your Su group na America. He was their secretary before they made him the president. Ngampamu pana. Iga abalia. Nani signature ya make again when God graduate in Oboda. Because he was a lecturer. You don't know my father. You did not know his words. You started insulting a man wrong because he chori ji abambo. Amaro monyewo. Amaro nyembo. You carried my dead father at his last dying age. Moment. COVID dilaralande bani bua. Muma aka. Manda mu ohuru. Manda ga mu amu. Igbo olara here. People died and they believe he got vaccine. My father was one of them that refused to go and take vaccine. Because onaga church Christian economy. He was listening to the man here. Despite his education, he refused. Many people fell into such analysis. My father was the person that refused. About the COVID. Even my husband, he refused. He refused. A lot of people won through that period. You will not get a demon because of favorite lawyer. My husband, that's my husband with people because before you enter military no Buddha, he get with the people that's no Buddha. My father, any did too, but after my father needed a credential, yeah, they did not require the second person. Yeah, my husband then to my father gets a credential. Yeni no gru no Buddha check all you go chuku. Chinya na military. Actually don't need a second person. Ya no go chuku na dena maruechi. Ya won't know again my husband didn't explain the reason why this thing, because my husband is a medical doctor. Explain everything, go in details. My daddy refused. Well, you did not know anything about the whole thing. You decided to carry my father to humiliate him. You broke out his picture. And you think you have peace in my hand. Even if woman and my father are with a problem, it's none of your business. It's my personal issue. It's a family issue. It has nothing to do with you. Even if you want to add it's none of your business. It's my family issue. Even if today, my father it's none of your business. He still remember my blood. He's the reason why I'm not Oboda. He fight for me. It's none of your business. He has no right to devour him at his last stage. You know, but it shows also she wish any can one nala. So you will any rights? Ijabu puto namo. Dabawamo munampamo de nama munampama de nama. It's none of your goddamn business. You brought out my dying father. More Kwoya, a whole professor. Go Panada, you can't enter it. Agota, many people that can try it. Gebrum Pamo, Biameya caricature on social media. And you want me to let go? Genam Pama about war. Genam Punaga about the war. Another man reply again. I didn't even know who you are. You just decided to use it. COVID. This man suffered 3 good months. 3 good months. No log. Onyere mana demma. Yebu put a picture ya. Ebona arioria. Generation can never be a prophet. My father's scholarship will be oboda. Scholarship ko kendo so many nye scholarship bi abo oboda. Game with the audacity. Ibu put na vulnerable stage ya. Onyere COVID you struggle to survive. Say ya picture bunye gige bupute. Gabe na akọ inyo. Some people na na akọ inyo. Gabe suno so wegi bupute na mba na asimo Ogechi. Na mpa gege na ejikora. Mpa mo bu ogo na oburu gi. If my father calls me or calls me or won nage. If my father gozie dimo basarage, or or your relative, what have my dead father atohumu goku amahumonyewo? I did not know who you are. I never sister. You brought my father. Ihe Igbo sonso. Gebrozunamo. Or what the no Gebrozia. No hospital on na COVID. Gebria. And I'm a other person in that picture. Mona ya docha lego mata no boda. And when you na po hipa law. Magwa yonyeshi. Iga popita the person no. Iga go ezu ike na aka mo. Iga ezu ike na my hand. Iga ezu ike na my hand. Iwe la video na mjikpe ego cash out because he choka followers. And the gestion iga ezu ike. Jpac is a lie you. Is a lie. Ima inne mere gima na gorogo for manande mwompam chumage. Chero wo sonje kangeje meta wo. Ya chumage. Ya chumage. Iwe la nna mu cash ego na social media gbara view. Gestion na na achoge. Na mu na achoge. Amamonye wu. I took Roland gone before. Do I know you? Yaru other people got forget. I'm not gonna let you be. Ninja. Can they put better than other people who put is normal? You are the one that gave it to them. I greet you, Esther Oma James. Oh, okay. So anybody gonna ask me, I'm happy. Thunder, but would that made this or you judge me on anybody got some happy? May he judge you and I. May he judge you and I. I got you. Mpagoria banoria ma paf anage. Negoria loria ma paf aya. When on your family member area. No na Nigeria the dying age. Ya me bupute ya ji akwa ya war. When you brought up my dad. I did not follow you. I did not know you. Scatter everywhere. Can you talk? Can your father enter where my father entered? Mpam puta namba nese kuoku mpaga oge kuoku iwu nyara ishore kwa de gemma. Some people say Ogechi knows him the problem. Are you okay? Onya ma ugbo ejiri lu ozu ya bo wa ye shinu ku board ozu. Onya ma ugbo ejiri ti wi ma ya sagbegbe la ya gbegbe. And you think you will have peace with this shower where you marry. With this shower, if a big gum or four, are you not? And when he make again a shower here, this your rented 5 days as upon and 5 days, negative 2 million. EGT na wedding again. Iwonyara. All these people now put on Pahana about one on social media. All these people now put on Mahana about one on social media. You know they go look for them. Why must you carry your thing, put in a family problem? You part of my family? Are you part of my family? Gena go se boku before. Gena yeme peace. Why must my own be your problem? Obasaragi. Ana bi akoiri. Make me arrest. Mama ki game. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. Hey, my people choro go when people look for your trouble, when you come, you become the victim. That's the thing. Idiot, I'll put up pain at this idiot. Or put up in at this blue app on or use one na mobile go. video bara ego ya be na ashim Ogechi na me dey look for in trouble. O puta be that Ogechi, sorry oh. Oh, biju my for the mega content and I ego. You know not say I not be that kind of person. You know remember am. Mwe putara. Ji my father buy ego. Make content improve video ya. Raise your followers. You do not remember a day like this will come. I am your camera. I am your fucking camera. I am your fucking camera, Jpac. I am nja chi details, okay? Now we are not the record. Yem can make it. I can not gather. Gana etim ukana we. Ige kui hem meregi. You go talk with me, do you? Iji burun na moputan. Akwa beke nnem.
Also, one soon happen in that. I'm as much as a betrayer. Because you will betrayer.
Chineke God.
Akwa Njaka, a young one the content creator. Now when you are on soon, Apple and go, I forget to die married. Now when I go, because I can't watch my youth.
Who this guy? The most lying bloody motherfucker. Nigga got one dollar na name. Hey, Chineke God do J-pipe. Na kam ke torato. Itorato.
You don't have any no free because Muhammad a blog it, but he had a blog all your news. So nobody's authorized to blog anybody news again.
This guy
has to blog anybody news.
This guy.
So only me here just say halfway. The same way everybody's have blog news about that. In the blog and Southeast have blog one news. The next news go pam. It's here for that. I assume on ya. Whatever any of the can be any of the poison come
Jpac, you a murderer. You are a demon. Ubaka matara you a demon. Iga akwa hande chori inyo obodo poison o. Iga akwa hande chori igbabu obodo less man. So you have to get impulse na akoro ha. Jpac, so this is what you went to impulse and you keep lying and telling them a different ball game. Jpac, you that's a code also. She like how to deal with the obodoless man. You keep it as it here. Bena formulate everything. Ka people na batagin him in homa. Hey, because konye shina ga poison obodoless man. Konye kuria epus dosu waha. Ishila lewu nwoke ni na-ekwu eziokwu that you are telling the truth to mention names. Stop lying from your tip of hair mouth. Who said I got poison obodoless man? Onyeshinega J-pipe, your anger will because of this. You wanted money. You wanted the money. Agenyegi. Actually, there is no money to give you. You wanted 10 million. Now pay jigijikwe with tego. Jpac you are the one that we are bringing Bodoless man and the Bonilo son bleaching cream. He was busy giving information nobody asks of you. Imagine Ogechi nagakwala ako ko bupute ego na ebuko biji ego odowara ego ha bupute ego ka eji make case ya. You was pushing. Nagama here na ego ebupute 100 million. If Jpac, if I lie against you, may I not see tomorrow. But if anything I'm about to say now is what you said, God bless me as you continue to bless me. Jpac, you came. Nagago ako, kebu pute 100 million. Ka dowaya, ebuko biji ego. What is 100 million? Keji I made these people case. Nagiji information on that. Nagiji everything. You were the one that were busy pushing. Even when I couldn't go slowing down, you was pushing. Are you not the one? J-pipe, are you not the one? So why are you not snitching? Because everything you stated here are all lies. You were the person bringing information. You bring Geka, how to make Milonia, how to make Milonia. Are you not the architect or are you not the foundation of everything? Imereni. Now, Kuputego 100 million is nothing to compare. At the way go, all this nonsense will stop. Eputego, the Kuya Gebe Obodo, the Kuya Gebe Obodo less son, the Kuya Gebe Obodo less man, the Kuya Gebe Ebonilo son. Are you not the one? So, onye kena choro iblemuna by you because of akuna just that she go. That she go get kuma. When you need money, you start to bring in information who to mail. And she got fogging in this. If you don't change this your character, if you don't change, and don't want to hear, in a year woto. Because I'm a new abo. What you cannot do for money? Igbo to like a mage, get one guarantee 5 days. What you cannot do for money does not exist. It's normal. It's normal.
No, even though can apply the money, then doesn't refuse to in the blog and apply the room.
And when you only review, yeah, he marriage bito slide my because of ego and you was pushing Akwa to give you 10 million. Then you put a page, they give make. Oh, he marriage by slide, yeah. You was pushing Akwa. Nobody. What we were doing is a normal arrest. And we made it open that we are arresting so person. You were the one pushing it. Stepping on. Even if we were slowing down, you were calling me. Oh, gamam na ko negregente. Okay, lekwa him choki me. Banako. Kado wego. You were the one pushing it. It's your full chest. You were the one. And when you try we never wanted to stand on. Now you they bring all this evil plan. Now you. So I don't know what you're trying to play here. Thank God that unless I'm making a line and move for the sugar be quiet. Could you imagine how this manipulator, demonic idiot, but are naturally who want to poison who? Who want to poison you if you're not the one? If you're not the one bringing ideas, who want to poison who? I pity that person. I just pity that person.
Jpac is now a betrayer for saving the life of the content creator.
Hey! Jesus. Did I hear saving? Did I hear saving? Hey! Arrow. I couldn't. Did I hear saving the life of content creators? Or destroying, telling us the page on a red, man the page short, man the page delete. Did I hear saving? Hey! Iyema mad in a life in the content creators only a koromia for 1 day. Iyema maro na life for content creators unda. Imanonya baramona keza this guy keza this guy. Hey, nkana ekuka wine. Imanonya gwaram that moka ana moka dike. Imanonya gwaram that ana keza this guy ana ekuka ayi. Nkana ekuka wine. Na ana dike na macha nde ni content creators ana akukonya J-pipe no start with me o. Onya asim na ana mamuka nike. Na mamuka ndị content creators ana washichana yike. Na ye mamuka na eme before mamuka abeg na ya art ya move na ga-eji amara Chineke. Hey, this guy were useless fool. Hey, J-pipe, are you not a woman leader? Na woman leader na to Southeast ni na to trola woman leader na jaya. Na Southeast ni na to trola woman leader na buoya. Nobody have for no one Abakaleke and went for my woman leader when you Abakaleke. Oh, quite an elite, Yokoyana co. Oh, Quayana co. Naimo, now this idiot today, I'm life in that one. Now, this idiot to the Buruna co. Jpac, I'm coming. Kamga dig some of our voice notes. I need to go and dig them. You that are sampling all these content creators and according their lifestyles. You. Hey, over the last man, I don't need with a sense. If you get sense, your greatest enemy is J-pipe. Many things I was using against you, then J-pipe was the one leaking it. I didn't know nothing. Amaramuge, I don't follow you. I don't watch your content because it's dry to me. Now the idiot, we are busy telling us a shoot to movie. How to capture you. He was the one sending Shai to get your information. The day we wanted to arrest you, something happened though. In fact, now this idiot they tell us. Now this idiot them ya be only to call na one. Butele nyobodo. Kedi unya. Hey, go and dine with Amusua and die like a premature idiot. If person won't come you and don't may be no oga collect them. He is the worst thing that will ever happen to anybody. Onya will betray a snitch, somebody that can litter you. Onya can in the middle of the road. There's no coordination more. Onya any friend in him. And when one of my good friend, Nona, Mbogarana, Keza, Kezia, Ozopro, Mogram Ozopro. Manonya, even that person know the open mouth to talk where in the talk. Because you know la jenze. Everybody they fear him. He has no secrets. Call on Tragononia, Colonia, Napuge. Even or ya walking and apple goes over and I remember say, why are you this character? Why is that this deadly character is in you? Jpac Kapam Genaka, I go dish you out. I go dish you out. Now you scatter these people and Mona, I summon the content creator and make content. And so Mona barrier going on. Are you not the one dishing out their lives? Chelema Bejen to when many places are recorded you. But Mona again, let me go. Oh my God, some of people's voices but here. Kamga again our message, my messages are shut it down. I will shut everything. May write everything and then people change to no because I talk voice to some people but there. Also na to madureya 1 naira. If that's your friend again na program no more. Sorry, I'm talking about Ozobro. Stay away from you because of again the person connected get to nigga sign again. I'm on rage. You litter them about the guy. But the guy cannot query. You that is you can do even a got one more because of common 100,000. The person just said yeah. The person will like I don't want to talk. But I don't want to talk. You are their greatest enemy. Snitch. But their fellow content creators got you with a deal. Idiot Agabachena, so call about the person. Onya. Go about the person. Can you hear the thing? God. You enter inside the lip hole, Kibana. I'm a bodoless man. He zoro the less man that day will something happen. And when emergency that day, that day, he was busy directing on. Okay, but one on that. You was, oh my God. Oh, guys, shall I become? I want a more message. Thanks, Doc. Hey! The life feature destroy your fellow content creators. Erin go bodo erin gi eboni lo son bleaching brain on amata ihe na emeni. Even I need not to get come share my information on. Do I know anything about you now? When Bonilo's son was trying to go and shoot content with a Bodoless son, with a Bodoless man, with a Amoless man, was I their mamu? Is it not this person that was giving us all the details?
That makes me a betrayer. If that is the non-betrayer, don't worry, I'm proud to be that sort of betrayer.
Everybody knows you. You cannot sugarcoat what you did. You cannot flip the hand that what you did. I was there. You are the. That is why you come to me show gelepa. Oh Maggie no there. Chiwudo. Your mother there. Oh unnegi no there now. Maggie Sunday gbejare ya. Oh unnegi no nga. Achena ime na guga comment chop kunu distract am. Lie. Oh unnegi no nga. Ileje picture ma Maggie wuka ha anya na mmanyere onu ya na eyo ya. That's your mama. Maggie wuka ha ba the man jaraba. Chemeshigia. Wait, make I show you your mama. Wait. Kamishigi Maggie, maybe you did not recognize her. I will show you your mama. Chemeshigi nage. Just give me a minute. Meshigi negi. Meshigi nege ba wela ya manyoni ono. Lekwan negi. Lekwan negi, lekwa beja bwega negi manyoni ono. Kwe hona ya? Chere meshigi gi ama, hushi ni ama. Lekwa beji bwin negi manyoni ono. Chineke borogoko. Lekwa manyoni. Kwe hona ya? Lekwa magi je yoga manyoni. On Negi. If you don't recognize her, oh Maggie. When Negi you fool. Negi J you arm where you million you manyane. Ha. Oh banke wega Maggie the amusuono. When you see what your mother is doing. So don't mistake your mother with anybody. On Negi. Oh you make it muoge. So she cannot stop. Negi be run away manyane apwe on. So get there where I just want you to watch your mama do what she know how to do best. Good. Now let me go back to him, Marco. Maybe they listen to you.
I'm proud to be such betrayer because I can't fold my hands and washing. I plan that I did blue able son and I'm never plan. I plan that I did blue anybody. I never plan that. I plan that I did blue amatism. And I'm never planning that. I plan that they did blue
excuse me, I don't like to refer to that thing. Wait, Onya hit now. Onya plan to give me arrest. Who plan to arrest them? Are you not the one that brought information, yeah? That all wala dimbo. No get him to again. Hey, you know, I choose my class of saga. Are you not the one that brought information to that thing? Now, all wala di hapu di abalaga. Mashi give him time for you. Are you not the one that she no Luoladi? Are you not the one that start calling me? God, I swear with this oil that I have on my hand. This guy and that thing in make content that time. This guy. Oh, can this guy? I me forget can this guy? Oh. Can this guy and make content that time? Hey, can this guy and me the Biafra? MC Black again. Why MC Kisa? Hey, it's a fulama that black Igbo guy. MC Eyes. Are you not the one that MC Eyes? Are you not the one that told me MC Eyes in our organ? Now, body go Sharaya. Hey! Are you not the one? J-pipe, put out the issue with this shower where you marry for house. Say, it not be you. I day my day. Now you say the girl, they war you. So I know this thing, I know they pay attention to nonsense. Are you not the one say okay? Now I'm looking information age abonya war. No Lola Dimbo, not the only daughter, the only child, according to you. Now you know them, now you and them they roll. You said no Lola Dimbo pata. Now where you na ni one yana no tulano. Are you not the one that was busy describing her? Shionya is not in my list. Hey, get down one. Are you not the one that Marcia? I thought they are correcting content. Get shamba. Nam chonam no na line or MCIs. Na MCIs but I can on 24/7 na queer front and back. Are you not the one? So can you again I discourse all this rubbish shit or a corner? Hey. Chineke na Jpac ige eli mmadụ nshio. So this is how you cannot be a man and man up to your stupidity. Cannot be a man and man up to your stupidity. So I get potential people. Nah, what kind of a human being is this, if I may ask, Biko? What am I done there? You know, be you where they carry information they give me. The same thing, even in Kekeza had this guy, and hey. I don't really, the people who I know they even give a fuck about. This guy na okuko. Now you can't tell me say on Ethiopia. Sago na gubi in Ethiopia. No na only. Na no you can 200,000 year. Na so you there. Thank God now when we take nobody I can remember because among these people now you they bring info. Now you they gossip. Now you they talk when nobody asks you. And then in China, they're quite careful. Oh, never put anything with this guy. Be very, very careful. He has no secrets. You're in your pugi with your life. You're being torn way upside down. Nantem go chadipete. Guys, share this video. Makechi. Give me what to use and stand. Share this video. Tag it to your friends. Tag it to Onya. Jpac action go kahopa. Action akayana. How can somebody be this lying and manipulative bitch? Eh? Me na kono about this thing about MC na get MCIs. I was na get on eku. Na say he get na eku because he was the one. He was the one that was busy telling me here basara ka get na onya achara kisha na 24 na na ni hu na ya na so ekwo ya mpata mpa ya akwo na owa akwo na no lo di before wa akwo na di ya menka. Did I even listen when they put all this in? 24 hours for mad. Onye ge help program bara saga. Onye ge help program bara saga. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Nakam ke toro. You can never lie and want to get away with that lie. Ito one my brother. Guys, because pray whether no video your attention because Onya, this idiot can lie. Look with the listen.
I know never plan together.
No.
Shame on you people who say you are a church goer. Hello? One name mother can't get a name. I watch my life, right? Yeah.
Osu.
Oh, yeah, I'm about another day now.
Osu.
I'm on the Wazo. I get Vienna International Hotel. Vienna back and the man was the canon.
To the one echo.
5-star hotel. People are envying me. You know that Jpac.
You are the father of envy. You envy every content creator that are doing better than you. You envy all of them. You are the mother and the father that mothered envy. You, J-pipe. Oh, okay. You are the foundation of envious of human being. Oh, okay. Nobody give a fuck about you. Oh, work a chigi foro. Oh, work ipegi bidro na ulo na mansion. Ipegi young na. They were reckon na get manage uyo mbe. Paint ye dosa. They were a paint ye. But I never make a congratulation. It's so I'm congratulated Chagi. Yeah? I follow congratulated you.
local place.
Imagine. The game money they
I go over about 7 days. A man not here, Dora.
Good Usu.
Perfect na Friday with the man.
Usu.
Okay, get that.
It's not a man, no. Nyamokam mini.
Okay.
Usu call.
One.
Agree on a one. Come on, China and person no go hear word. It's an Egypt to go worry now about beer. You are the useless person. Are you not the supporter of Funga?
No, that kind of betrayer. Yes, I am proud to be such betrayer.
He betrayed Akwa before because Akwa won you with saga. You betrayed the question Akwa and you poison. You can betray anybody. You are a betrayer from birth. You know be today. So kine ma wo ho ho. Egeno na nke Akwa, si na Akwa and you poison girl eribu onwegi. So tell me who you have not betrayed. Akwa wanted to use you and sell money. Akwa to use to get sell money. Use ogime and they get 1 naira. Give me a commercial carry 20 million. Because he will idiots. I get used to give with the penny rubbish 10 kobo. That is who you are. You are nobody. You are just anybody can use you with the 1 naira, 2 naira. That is what it is. And they get 1 naira. Wogo use will give 20 billion. Gejime, that is why you do hopeless. Everything you stated here are nothing but lies. You are the one that we are busy bringing information from people in Dagatonga. You are the Nga collectors information. Oh, okay. It's you. You don't need information. Now you the wujuala mad. Oh, okay. Now you the call. Now you the give information. Now you the pass. Oh, okay. Hold on. Also. Le kwa mo wepitere passport ezukuku. Kwa ihu na ya. Yan passport o sendere ma bato ezukuku. Okwa ya wetere information. Shim le kwa heja agba ya wo le kwa info le kwa passport yo. Okwa ya wetere ya. Okwa ya. I did my day. Okwa J-pipe.
Ogoro. Achọrọ m ka izu efe bịa n'ozu. Sifebe na nsị ya ebe ọ bụla ọ masịrị ya gbaje n'obodo a na ọgbaji ya na ya achọtarị ebe ahụ. Na ọ karịa mma na ọ pụtara apụta na ọ pụtara ilo. Mana ebe ọ bụ na ọ sị n'obodo ka ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ ezi ikuku. So na kịta na ya ọdago Frank nọ na Ethiopia and ọ nọ na outside and a na-afụ ya anụ. Boys nọ n'iro bịapụta iro. And the boys nọ n'iro. Akwụsịla onye ori ka ọ bụ. So ọ bụ na ọ bụ onye ori pụtaja outside ya ejidozie ya pụtaza ka o jidozie anụ. So ọ kakwa mma na ịgwara ya anụ ya ji nwayọọ pụta ọpụta nọ ebe ọsọ nụ ya gbajenu ọ bụ maka nchọta nụ anyị achọta ya nụ asịna na nọ Ethiopia ka ọ nọ.
Akwe na anụ ya ide hear am. Oh, what Jpac of information, oh, even in Mezobi. Mbashi Mezobi naga onya keza haya. I'm sorry, God. J-pipe. Iga no ya wena kam. Usu man. Chere, I got no closure. We got more information. Ezikuku. Na chop Chineke. But I told them, let me hear before. Oh, yeah, me ignore. Many information. Man, don't up on a phone. I ignored it all. I did not do anything, no. ma gbakwa ya nkịtị ka ọ bịara ịkọ onye Chineke kpọọkwa gị ọkụ information niile a na-eliki ya no be you dey leak am no be you dey leak am ma mgbe ị sendịrị na eze obi na onye a na eze obi na onye a na-ara na m lekwa ya na eze obi na-ara no provoke me Chineke akpọ gị ọkụ idiot the one thing gị kwucha ga bịa na agụ oke na-agba mara if you talk finish you go dey lie Bransky, no, they come, they talk here because I'm not talking about these people here. I beg. We're in pages for many things. I beg.
Fabiano, this is the best you could put in a man can never video. And on a room, never video. Put an able voice on, not put a miro. Put a getting hero, Fabian, what I can do when never Nabia. If a criminal, I don't want to be a criminal. Until I hide. Okorasi Fabian nothing ya puta safari. No ya puta na even the chamber no. And even the chamber be ya puta jie. Can get you in the chamber. Can go and the chamber that support your job. I'm asking can the chamber to over on you get in a chamber. Eh? I'm not take oga. Just put over no no is nezo. You know the work of Greek na ko na say na atu aja. Na mo go na phone ngo nya na condition ga drum na ori ki na ezu no bra which na onye na ori ki na ezu. We not watching video, no, not to video. Through video to Tadiro, can you can arrest me on in the chamber. One of the chamber, no, can the drug here, can go in the chamber that support your job. Also, I want to Negi. You got to men I wrote about and I went to Tobo, when I send them on Bolivia. Why didn't you talk to do people? The criminal, you want to that is the end of your life. Yeah. Putiro. Okay, if would do me more cuts. A cobble, otherwise nothing is believing. I should know more ego. Idiot to make all these secrets. Nambe ezi kukuna ego. And when we did for me, this guy, how you go they come out to the lie? That no, the thing they pay me, they pay, and the worst part, they make a Ghana so. Ili kicha security in that Ghana to go make your peace. Make una listen. Kashi na ezi kukuje jena ari akwe na wa kwasendra ya voice note na kwasendra ya voice note ka ezi kukusha na ego. Gente.
Okuno we. Okuni enyi ife. Okuni enyi ife. Udumuli mo akachi.
Gente.
Okobulile. Bulile the vice na is believing. Bagomu wali bubo. Abili sigengo.
No mbona na ego.
Ba, hey, mbasi mi fana ema na etago. Asna man na ngalo ndi chi. Udode etago. Asna me kan se kan na bezo yim. Na udode. Da ju for bob na yi hansigina. Wanne ko ne sima na eme mo hene ma na etago. Hono ba lo ai ko ba. E boy kem eta. I wole bubu. O de fen na cha cha eta. Okune enyi ife. Okune enyi ife. Bilikwa nasi no me kan sanga na bezo yem azo mi fundem de sagen ana men kalena wa wili wa bonu ana ebiowa ana no yale makas na ala eli ana ekili afọ dode omodi hala maranya aga na work 247 agara gbakwa egwu 24 aga na street o hala men ha na iru akwọ o do bokun no we said, I'm on the road. I guess I said to them online. No, I don't have about good. I'm not going over about neighbor and Kenya, apology. Macaway acquisition happening on a hego. And the requirement Macaway here if you have to inform online. None there, broke my father and my mother, when they kidnapper. Told her on Friday, on Friday night. And this second government, yeah, I'm about so. I'm gonna help go last time, so not Baziego, not Bego. So today now I have some of my sisters. I go to Ghana Hanke. How 5 million naira. So you know, so my sister, I go to her 2 million naira. I'm gonna hire release her. I'm gonna best thing to do. So I don't update. Can't see that today. So I have the phone since online though. So there was a phone account more deactivated because of mom can yeah. But now they kept my father and my mom. Can just one on board now. And I bought the quick now. But then my team announced now, yeah, was a come now, I was a come now. I was only no got enough for I didn't move my. But when they for the no, they give me here go. They give me I believe I'm like, who's you? You say, I'm going to say, can go out. I'm coming and copy. Can go out, say, it's go the US to verify. I'm going to say, I got me here. But we are still on it. My uncle go. I'm going to have I'll give them money. I'm going to have go now. Because now, I don't really talk about my parents in Canada and a man carrying out. I can give 5 million, 5 million, or 5 million, 5 million. On that, I want to feel go. My phone cover now, my room and I'm by a drum. We do it. Our system now. We made him mad because now I'll get to the roots. I'm here at my street now. Season kai call. Oku no nwe. Prophet Oku. What do you say? Na you kwara me since I know me. Since Apple map. Ki after na since I know online Apple map. Ngara meet ndị Igbo. Ebe anyị nọ. Ọ bụ na iwe fana ka kwota o. E woni one me woni iwe senior brother.
Yes, little doctors breathe. Don't suffocate them. Don't suffocate them. Let them breathe.
But if this guy now walk, so now na atwaje. That guy be a very, very big criminal. Nnukwu onye osi bụ that boy. Ezigbo afia bụ Fabian, ọ na-azị esi ikuku. Ezigbo afia bụ Fabian onye ọkpọ. Only this guy na-eme na Ethiopia onye eze ezo. So you na Ethiopia bụ edina anapụ ndị mmadụ ego na-ezugharị osi. Ịghọtago? Onwere na Ethiopia eme. Ọma maka nwe Nigeria. Video na-enye mfụrụ ọ na-eme bụ n'ime room ka ọ na-eme. Ọ da-apụta otinye isi pụta street na Ethiopia. Guys apịawa ya because ndị o mejọ ọdịgo too much. Ọ dịghara afịa, onye ọcha afịa obi ya farị, ọ ya na-abịa ya ebe a. O criminal ka da guy bụ. O zigidokwuru osi, lọkatakwa oge arụkwa ụmụ oge nwoke. Otu ọnụ fụ ya ọma mbata nwe Nigeria, ọ bata Nigeria onwe problem. Ndị na-achụ ya dị ka aja dị n'anị. Ndị na-achụkwanye anyị Ethiopia dị ka aja dị n'anị. Ọma mpụta nwere n'Ethiopia ka ọ ga-anọ wee nwee n'ihe n'Ethiopia. Dị nna nwa gị bụ life o. Agwa dis guy na-akpọ ezi ikuku. Fabian nwa ọkpọ. Anụ ọkpọ niile ọkụ ihe ọ na-ekere ma ọ bụ. Ya mmekata pụta ire ka gas rie ka ji akwanye na Ethiopia n'ụwa nọ. N'Ethiopia ka ọ ga-anọ wee nwụ. Don't mark my word.
Akwa, this is how he normally shifts saga for Gebe Abatarea war. And the man Moya Kapopo, yeah, will teach all this information, I will just ignore him. To my greatest surprise, in all the Zilinihu Akupona, to Zuashe, Uncle Abamara. Neji Ndokaji Paragbaya, Ndokaji Paragbage. You are the one pushing all these things, digging within information. Your follow content creators down. You are an idiot. Charamaga, Kanga Kwadon, Anamagon, let me get ready. Monage, peace again, where would the day? Iman moneta peace in a come. Iman wenata peace in a come. Just to mark it as a problem, Monagi game for the rest of your life. Now you look for my trouble. I don't know, I'm on you. Now you look for my trouble. So shall you get it. See you guys on some other time. Bye.